In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a task in Jira. Whether you're streamlining your workflow or simply need to clear out outdated tasks, deletions are an essential part of managing any project efficiently. Let's get started by logging into Jira. Begin by opening your Chrome browser and navigating to the Jira dashboard specific to your company, which is usually accessible via a URL like yourcompanyatlassian.net. Once you arrive on this page, enter your credentials to log into the system. This login process ensures that all of your actions are properly tracked and associated with your user account. After you've successfully logged in, the next step is to locate the project that houses the task you intend to delete. Look towards the top menu where you'll find a tab labeled Projects. Clicking on this tab will reveal a drop-down list of all the projects you have access to. From this list, choose the one you're currently working on. Selecting your project will bring you to its main interface, where you'll get an overview of all related tasks and activities. Now, let's focus on finding the task that needs deleting. Jira has streamlined this task locating process for your convenience. You can use the search bar, typically located towards the upper middle of the screen. Type in keywords associated with your task to easily hunt it down. Alternatively, if you prefer a more visual layout, you can scroll through the project's board. This option might give you additional context regarding the task in relation to other tasks. Once you've found the task, click on it to open its detailed view and you'll be ready to move on. With the task open, let's proceed to the deletion process. Search for the More Actions button, which is usually represented by 3 vertical dots or a similar icon on the top right corner of the task details page. Clicking this icon will open a drop-down menu presenting several options related to the task. From this list, you'll want to select the Delete option. Upon selecting Delete, Jira will prompt you with a confirmation message. This step is critical because deleting a task is an irreversible action. Once a task is deleted, all of its associated information is permanently removed. Take a moment to carefully review this decision to ensure it aligns with your intentions. If you're certain, go ahead and confirm the deletion. And there you have it. The task is now permanently removed from the project. This process is key to maintaining a clean and clutter-free project environment, enabling you to concentrate on the priorities at hand. Periodically reviewing and deleting unnecessary tasks is an excellent practice for efficient project management. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has made the process clear and simple.